Hi guys! We will learn how to use KakaoTalk today because most of Koreans use this app. So when you want to communicate Korean friends, you will install this app. Today's topic is we will add friends and send a message. So this is my account and I can add my friend. Click this button and then you can add your friend using QR code and add by your contacts and add by ID. In this time we will use add by ID. So we will click the KakaoTalk ID and then we just type it your friend. I type my friend's ID and enter the search. There is my friend. I click add and you can see the successfully added. Before we go to the next step, when we click the bottom, the person icon, and then we can see the friend. There is new, and then there is one add friend. Let's click the friend, and we can see profile. Let's click the chat button. Let's type it. Hi, Zin. And we will click the yellow upper button and our conversation is started. When my friend read my message, and then the number 1 will be disappeared. She read my message and she also said hi, and I can see her message. In this time we can send the icon. So when you click the icon button and then you can download the default icon if you want. And this message, this icon will be, let's download it. You can use it like this and click the send. My friend just checked my message. Click the plus button. We can send a picture and we can have a voice call or video call. Send a voice memo and contacts or file. First, we will send a photo like this and just click and send. So in this time, I sent my photo and next I send my voice memo. Hi Jin, what are you doing? And you can check your voice memo when you play the button. Hi Jin, what are you doing? And then you can click the upper button and you sent it. And you also play your voice. Hi Jin, what are you doing? This is a really basic function in KakaoTalk. Enjoy your texting!